Welcome back everyone. It's Friday the 24th of October and I just thought I'd give you a quick update of what's happening with the onions and the garlics. Well, a quick look and we can see that the 10 Iberian garlics have all started sprouting, and some of the Germador, I've got 10 Germador as well, they're sprouting, but the 8 elephant garlics haven't started yet. Let's have a look for some roots. No, there's no roots for the elephant garlic, but the Iberian garlic has got plenty of roots. Have a look at the onions. Now, these have started sprouting as well, which is good, as you can see there. So not all of them have, but they've started, so the rest will catch up. And for these are the broad beans, and I've pretty much got full germination there. There's one there. There's one missing from here. Oh, no, there it is there. You can just see it at the corner. Starting to come through. And this one, yeah, it's just a little bit late. You can see the green shoot there. So yeah, full germination of the broad beans. So we had a couple of days away last week. We were actually in Gloucester and we'd actually planned the trip round, spending a couple of days going down to Slimbridge Wetland and Wildlife Centre. I'll post a few pictures and maybe video at the end of this update if anyone's interested in seeing that. So right at the end of this video there'll be a few pictures from the Wildlife and Wetland Trust at Slimbridge. But my car's in the garage at the minute, so until I can get my car back out the garage, I can't get any topsoil that I want for the beds that I'm going to be putting the garlic and onions in. So I've just got to hang fire for another couple of, well, I'm hopefully the garage is going to phone me today. So if they phone me today, I'll get the car back today, and next week sometime I'll get some topsoil and get the bed sorted out. So I've just got to be a little bit patient. It's quite a bit wrong with the suspension on it, so hopefully they'll get that sorted for me today. So yeah, nothing else really going on. It's been quite a wet and windy week, so I haven't been doing much. Although in saying that, I mean it looks fabulous out there today, but it is heavy showers all day, then blue skies, so no more work in the garden for me today, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be up at the allotment and we'll get some work done up there, maybe clear out a few more beds. Welcome back to the plot everyone. It is Saturday the 25th and it's been a bit of a day. It's nice and sunny at the minute, but we've been just dodging showers all day today, which is not a bad thing because me and Delilah have been running back and hiding in the car and having chats, but we haven't got as much done as we thought we would like to get. But let me show you around and show you what we have got done. We've mostly been preparing the beds for the winter, so we've been doing a lot of weeding. If you look at this bed where we had some tomatoes, it's half weeded, but I've only got to do this a little bit more. We still have quite a few beetroots in the ground, like that. That one didn't try, but that's perfect. Look how nice that is. So actually I'll have that during the week. I'll have some roast beetroot. That looks perfect. A few other things. Oh, excuse me. I'll just come out the sunlight, out the shade. I'm making a lamb hot pot during the week, or lamb stew. So I need some carrots and I need some swede or turnip. So I'm going to grab this turnip, which is the first turnip that I've ever grown. Now I know we've had a chat about when it's a turnip and when is it a swede, but growing up we've always called these turnips, so that's what I'm going to call it. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it without taking the whole net off. So that is not bad. Once that's cleaned off, that'll be very good. So that's the sweet part done. I'm quite happy with that. There's a few more in there. They're not as big as this one yet, so I'll leave them in for a bit longer. But this one, yeah, that's fairly good. I'll just put these clips back on the net. So yeah, it's been quite a wet and windy week here down in Devon, but you know, it's that time of the year where the weather's changing. It's not bad when the sun's out, but the showers are quite heavy at the minute. Let's go and get some carrots. Now I've got a couple of carrots up here in this bed where the muley's growing. So I think there's about 3 carrots in here. So take that one out. That's not a bad carrot. That's okay. And a little small red one. You can see different varieties. I think that's an Autumn King, and I think that's a Nance. And that's some red one. I don't know what the variety is for that. There's another little carrot there, another red one. But yeah, they're okay. They'll go in the stew. And I plan to go and visit my mum during the week. So she likes muley. So let's pull her out a muley, and I'll take that up with me when I go and visit her. And I can see this one is pushing itself out of the ground. Or should I take this one? No, I'll take this one. That one. How many? 1, 2, 3. I think there's about 6 left in here. Right. I'll take this one. And there you go. It's a nice, decent sized muley. It's not the biggest one I've had out here. I picked a whopping big one out of here during the week. But yeah, I'll take that up to my mum when I go and visit her during the week. So, carrots, muley, swede or turnip. And of course our resident little bunny, Nelly, she'll get all these green tops from the carrot, which just taste a carrot, but there's less sugars in them than the actual root themselves. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to collect some of the broccoli. We are still getting broccoli off these broccoli plants. It's just side shoots, but there's enough for a meal. So you come around here and I'll show you what I'm going to take off. So this broccoli is definitely my broccoli of choice now. Not only was the heads excellent, but the amount of side shoots we're getting from these plants as well. So oh, you can see this. We love broccoli in our house. It's one of these vegetables we eat practically every week. So I mean, there's nothing better than this, I don't think. Well, I mean, they're all little single florets, but there's just so many of them. I'll let those smaller ones grow a little bit. The trick is to get them before they start opening up, because once the plant goes to seed, it will stop producing these flowers, because basically that's all these are, is flowers. Speaking of flowers, I think this is a cauliflower, but still no head on it yet. So I'll take this one. I'll leave the others till next week. But there's one round the other side I want to get. It's quite big. Where is it? Oh, there it is there. So we haven't been doing much today, as I says. We've been weeding, but we've been mostly dodging. Mostly dodging the rain. With a bit of luck, I plan to come up during the week, and hopefully the weather's good. I'll get the bed up there sorted out for my onions and garlic. So 1 bag of broccoli. But yeah, not really doing an awful lot today. It's nice to get a few things to take back home. So thanks to all my new subscribers for subscribing, and thanks for all my older subscribers for your continued support. You know, if I didn't have any subscribers, I wouldn't be making these videos, but it's nice to have the support of everyone. So thanks for watching again. As I said, we were away last week at Slimbridge Wildlife Park, so after this I'll just tack on a few pictures and maybe a little bit of video of some of the wildlife we saw at the Wetlands and Wildlife Park up at Slimbridge near Gloucester last week. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.